Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. In the morning, I mentioned that the Nifty 400 point gap up is a little bit overdone. After all, BJP has won only one state, other state it has lost. But of course, Maharashtra is a very big state compared to Jharkhand. That's a different story. But still, 250 to 300 point is okay, maybe 1%, 1.25%. But opening nearly 2% was very high. So, as expected, the Nifty fell, I think around 12:30 or 12:45. The Nifty fell about 200 points in a matter of 15-20 minutes. So that is expected because, if FIIs are selling when the markets were at 23,300, why they will not sell at 24,300? So probably the selling was there, it fell, then it has consolidated. Right? The people who sold the call option, on Friday, so they must have squared up the positions in panic. So that was the reason why the markets were holding on to the gains in the first half of the session. So once that subsided, the markets fell. Now, even the global markets are rallying. And I don't think that any of the market is down today. Europe is higher, US futures are higher, so everything is looking very, very green. Even without this Maharashtra state election results, we would have gone higher, but probably not this much, right? So now, no need to say people will be selling put options aggressively because those who sold call options earlier, they must be sitting in a loss. To cover that loss, they might be selling more put options, so that is evident. 24,300 put option has the highest open interest, So probably, they've sold it when the market was higher and people, they're still holding it. So this kind of, I also sold a lot of call options, but this big gap up, the best way to manage, is not, booking the loss or selling more put options. You sell more put options, market may reverse. So what I did, I bought 24,200 call option, right? And then sold double the quantity, 24,500 call option. So that, from 24,200 to 24,500. So I'm safe. But then, the 24,500 call, which was sold around, 93, 95 rupees, it has come down to 40, 45 rupees. And of course, the 24,200 buy is the hedge for my positions, right? So these are the things, we teach in our workshop. So, when things, big gap up, big gap down, so how to manage and those kind of things, right? Now, coming back to some important questions, right? Nifty rallied more than 1,000 points in 2 trading sessions, okay? Is the Nifty becoming long? Okay, the answer is yes. If Nifty closes above 24,270, okay, now today it has closed at 24,220, so another 50 points. Today it traded above 24,270, but it did not close. So if Nifty closes above 24,270, technically Nifty is becoming long. But as I always say, don't give 100% weightage for technicals. Sometimes technicals can fail. The way FIIs are selling, I'm not able to trust this technical. However, so I will keep watching the FII figures. Either if they stop selling or they start buying, then if Nifty closes about 24,270, and then definitely I will consider taking some long positions. So that is the picture right now. So today I'm just for some other work, I'm just going out. So that's why I recorded this video. I don't think that FII data would be out by this time. So along with the FII data, we will discuss more tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.